Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Frame.io to review cuts with timestamped feedback, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Frame.io and review cuts with timestamped feedback, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Frame.io website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the project you wish to update. Click on the project to open it. In the project dashboard, look for the upload button to add new video files. Select the video file you want to upload from your device. Wait for the upload process to complete. After the upload finishes, click on the video thumbnail to open the review interface. Play the video to watch your cut closely. While viewing, pay attention to specific moments where you want to give feedback. Pause the video at the desired timestamp for your comments. On the right side of the interface, find the comments section. Type your feedback in the designated text box. To ensure your comment is linked to a specific moment, check for the timestamp feature available. Click on the timestamp option to automatically attach the current time to your feedback. After entering your comments, press the post button to save your feedback. Repeat these steps for any additional feedback you wish to provide. If you need to tag collaborators in your feedback, use the @ symbol followed by their username. This will send them a notification about the specific feedback. Once you complete your review, close the video player to return to the project dashboard. To share your feedback, click on the Share button. Choose your preferred sharing option, whether through email or a direct link. Confirm that your collaborators have access to the project to view and respond to your comments. Remember to check back for any responses from your team. This process will enhance collaboration and streamline feedback for your video projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.